Hello, here is T from Active. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the analysis features in Active Logic. Active Logic is a fun and productive AI and control framework for Unity 3D and C#. So I believe two things that you want in an AI framework is firstly, you want your framework to produce code that is concise, expressive, readable, and maintainable. And I think that on this side of things, Active Logic, which is a framework for C# programmers, wins hands down. But another thing that we want in a good AI framework is transparency. We want to be able to analyze and investigate the behavior of our AIs, both during development and later on, to maintain the software and fix bugs. So let's get started. In this demo, we have 3 soldiers on the stage. They all use the same AI, and it's practically about 100 lines of C#7 code. So I have already selected the blue agent, and I'm also going to open the logged review. Now, in order to see some output, we have to enable logging. Of course, you can enable logging for several agents. And I am also going to enable the history. Let's have a look. Now here we can see that as soon as we start playing, the logged review starts displaying the behavior of our agent. And this is done as a hierarchy of tasks and subtasks. And this is because Active Logic at the core is a BT or behavior tree framework. And if we look at another agent, now I'm going to look at the green agent. And you can see that in contrast to the moving blue agent, the green agent is awaiting. And that's because it has low health, therefore it cannot attack, and instead it defends. Now going back to the blue agent, we also see that while the agent is moving, a trail is generated. And if we pick any of the keyframes here, we can actually rewind and see what our agent was doing at this point in time. And of course, when the keyframes are too close, we can use the arrows here to browse through this history. Another feature that we have is if instead of just playback, we'd like to see what's going on step by step, where we can do that just by enabling the step feature. And here, our agent, well, playback stops at every frame, at every keyframe, whenever the behavior of the agent changes. We get a new keyframe, and we have the time to check the logged review and figure what's going on. Now finally, we also have support for breakpoints here. So I'm just going to create a breakpoint, and it is quite similar to the debugging features found in your regular IDEs. But one big difference is that if, for example, I set a breakpoint here on strike, instead of breaking on the strike function for any agent, it's only going to break for that specific agent, that specific component. It seems that we still have a stepper enabled. Let's turn this off. Okay. And strike. Oh, with breakpoints enabled, will work better. And strike. Okay, so I believe the features we have here are really pretty unique, and there are things that you don't find in other BT frameworks, let alone coding-oriented frameworks. So I hope this video got you interested, and thanks for watching.